what's going on, guys? I want to talk about this video, cash versus credit. This is very important. Whether you're live or you're online, this is a very important piece in storage unit buying, okay? So what I mean by cash versus credit is we're at a facility right now. I just bought a storage unit. You need to make sure you know before you bid, is it a cash facility or is it a credit facility? So when you're going to live auctions and there's an actual auctioneer, you need to understand, is this facility taking credit? And if they're taking credit, typically that means the storage units go for more money. In my experience, if a facility is taking credit, meaning a credit card, the lockers will tend to go for more money because people don't have to put upfront cash to buy the units. The same thing with online. When you buy online and you see the ad where you bid and it says cash or credit, understand that those units tend to be for more money. Now, the vast majority of storage units are actually cash only, a good portion of them. But in today's age, even the last 2 years, more facilities are moving to the credit option to be able to buy units with credit card, right? Now, there's some big corporate companies that still only offer cash. That meaning when you go to the auction, whether you're live or online, you've got to have a wad of cash in your pocket and you've got to be able to pay for that unit that way. But a good portion of them are offering both options. And when that's the case, it doesn't mean you can't buy them and get good deals, but just be aware of the fact that people can pay for credit. And typically that tends to be, costing more money for the units in my humble estimation. So make sure before you bid, you realize, are you bidding on a cash or are you bidding on a credit facility? And understand that the unit that you may be buying may go for more money since people don't have to put their upfront capital to pay for that unit.